Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today I'm going to be making the famous Mysore vegetarian mutton. For this, I'm using these soya chunks which are mock mutton. You can use any other alternative soya nuggets or even baby potatoes work fine with this recipe. So let's start with the marination and then we'll go to the masala. So for marination, I've got some yogurt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, some salt. I'll add the soya chunks. This doesn't need to be marinated that long because it's vegetarian protein. We leave it to marinate while we're doing the masalas. So now let's go to the masala. So we start with the whole masalas. Oil is heated up. Cinnamon, star anise, cloves, crushed cardamoms, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds. Can you hear the seeds are spluttering? I'll add in my curry leaves, sliced onions, a little salt, ginger, garlic. We'll saute these till the onions start changing color. Now the onions are starting to change color. So we'll add in our tomato paste. If it gets too dry, add in a little water. Especially if you're not using tomato puree and you're using tomato paste. Okay, now we add in our powdered masalas, coriander powder, fennel powder, saunf, cumin powder, red chili powder, a little bit of water. Now we put in our marinated soya. Sliced fresh red chilies. I mean, this is really optional. It just adds a little more color and kick to the dish. So we'll cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes till the soya chunks absorb all the flavors of the masalas. Yeah, it seems all cooked. Flavors have all gone in. So let's plate it. Mysore vegetarian mutton is ready. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. I've got some fried curry leaves. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. My name is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.